In this maths sprint, we are solving a GCSE Maths direct proportion question involving squares and cubes. Pause the video now and try it. Here's the answer. A is directly proportional to the square of B. So we know A is equal to some constant times B squared. B is directly proportional to the cube of C. So B is proportional to C cubed. B is equal to some constant. Now normally we use K for the constant, but we already used that K here. So I can't put the same K here because it's not the same constant. That's why this is a really good question. So we should use a different letter, or let's call this K1 and let's call this new constant K2, C cubed. C is 2 when A is 160. Okay. Find a formula for A in terms of C. Now look at this question very carefully. You need to get A is equal to something, then C, but you can't have any B in this question. So you can clearly see the way to get that is, if you substitute this instead of B, there'll be no more B in my expression. So let's try and do that. A is equal to K1. Now instead of B, I'm going to put K2C cubed. However, you can see there is a square here. So I have to square this one. So let's try this one. A is equal to K1 times K2 squared times by C cubed. Squared is C to the power of 6. So this is a power of a power. So you can multiply 3 and 2. Now let's see what we get. So A is equal to, now if you look at this whole thing, K1 multiplied by K2 squared, you can see the whole thing is a constant. So let's call this a new constant, capital K multiplied by C to the power of 6. But I already know the values of A and C. We can substitute C is equal to 2, and for A, I can substitute 160. So let's do this carefully. 160 is equal to capital K multiplied by C is 2 to the power of 6. Now we can divide both sides by 2 to the power of 6, and you can see these two get cancelled out, and I get my value of K as 2.5. Now find a formula for A in terms of C. So I know A is equal to Kc to the power of 6. So A is equal to, my K is 2.5 C to the power of 6. Final answer. This is a really good question. Students usually struggle with these type of questions, especially you have like different K's here. So it's a really good question. Try this question. Make sure you write this question down somewhere and revisit and do these questions time to time.